Hello guys, this is Jill Pinoy. I'm here again to make show you how to make a tea leaf. It's this is the actual tea leaf right here, and what we normally do is wipe them. Let me put the camera down so you guys can see. So we wipe them, clean them up like this, and you can either freeze it for overnight or 24 hours, or some people blanch them in hot water, or some people just microwave them, but for me I freeze them for 24 hours. So I'll show you guys how to start this particularly. Sorry, by the way, in order for you to cut the leaf like this is so just go right here like this, that way right there. We cut it through. Simple as that. And we cut the other side. You don't want this hard part right here because it's kind of hard to twist. So let's go ahead and start. Okay, so here we go guys. So what we do is twist. See how I twist it? Then you get another one. You twist it. And you go ahead and tie them to secure. Okay, we twist that. So what are we going to do now is you twist this way. See how I twist it? And then on this side, it's harder to just doing it by yourself. It's better if someone else is holding it for you, but this is just a tutorial. Then you twist the same way on the other side. Then you go that way. Twist. Twist. So that's how it looks like. So just keep on twisting. Okay, twist. Twist. Here we have this. Twist. Twist. See how it looks? Keep twisting. This is super easy. See, now that we have this part right here, it's getting kind of short, so what we do is grab the other tea leaf and we insert them this way. See how I do it? Do it that way. Then you start twisting it the same way. So we do this until we are on a desired length of the layer, or the tea leaf lay that we are making. Okay, don't mind my accent. I have Filipino accent. Okay. Okay, now that we're on this end, we grab another one. We put it right there and start twisting it. And then twisting it. It's the same procedure, guys. Actually, my first time making this is when I got married, and it was a lot for us to do, so I kind of like teach my aunties them how to make it. They got the hang of it, and that's pretty easy. There you have it. And if you want this to stick out, you can leave it. You don't need to incorporate it with the twisting that you're doing. Hi Yuki, we have our dog outside. Hi Yuki girl. She's under the table. So I'm gonna go ahead and add another leaf here, and then I'll show you guys the finished product. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab one more, put it right here. Okay, and we're gonna start twisting it. Twist it. Okay, twist. You're turning it the same way. Okay, make sure you are turning it the same way when you're putting it on that side. Okay, see, here's how long right now. I'm gonna keep on doing this until we're done. I'm gonna actually do a fast forward. Okay, our tea leaf lei is done. That's how it looks like, guys.